From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, August 17th. Well, after a mostly sunny and relatively pleasant middle of the week, it looks like conditions are going to become more unsettled again late this week, and that unsettled weather may just stick around into the upcoming weekend, along with an uptick in humidity. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at the Canadian model for 2 p.m. on Thursday, and you'll notice that there is a disturbance over the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley showing up on the Canadian on Thursday. Perhaps some of that energy gets far enough into the mid-Atlantic states to bring some scattered showers and perhaps a few thunderstorms to the lower Susquehanna Valley. You see the European models a little bit faster with that disturbance, showing more widespread showers and thunderstorms around the region on Thursday. It does look like this quasi-stationary frontal boundary is actually going to be located well south of southeastern PA and northern Maryland. So if that is the case, I would not expect any severe weather here. Even rumbles of thunder might be very isolated. This could just be more of a generic showery type of event here on Thursday. And due to those clouds and showers, it will be a bit cooler with highs only in the low 80s. However, with the rain around, expect humidity to be a bit higher than we see on Tuesday and Wednesday. By Friday, both the Canadian model and the European model show that initial disturbance out into the open waters of the western Atlantic. The European model has another disturbance forming over the southeastern United States. You see on the Canadian that disturbance is much weaker, but either way you slice it, here in the lower Susquehanna Valley, Friday may turn out to be a dry day, still relatively humid and cool with the clouds around, with highs around 80, but I'm not sure that we actually get any showers in the region on Friday. However, by Saturday, that may change. It looks like a more well-defined storm system is going to be swinging southeastward through the Great Lakes region over the weekend. So out ahead of that, winds will likely turn southwesterly again on Saturday. Perhaps they are still southeasterly Saturday if the disturbance is a little bit slower, like what the European model suggests. Perhaps Saturday turns out to be a relatively dry day as well. Both models still kind of show this leftover quasi-stationary frontal boundary over the Delmarva region, so we would be north of that. So don't expect temperatures on Saturday to be near even above average. I think they'll be slightly below in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees, and it could be a partly to mostly cloudy day with a shower or two around. But overall, I don't expect the first half of the weekend to be a washout by any stretch of the imagination. You may just have to move outside plans indoors for a bit. As we move forward then into Sunday, I think Sunday provides the better chance for more widespread showers and thunderstorms. That storm system moves into southeastern Canada on the Canadian. The European shows that system in very close proximity to what the Canadian shows. So ahead of that, again, stronger southerly flow will pull moisture back into southeastern PA and northern Maryland. That quasi-stationary frontal boundary will also be drawn farther north as a result. So expect more widespread showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. It's way too early to talk about any severe weather potential, but just be alert for having to cancel those outdoor plans Sunday. And if you do go outside, just keep an umbrella handy as well, especially to and from Sunday morning church services. But again, it won't be too hot with all the clouds and the showers around. So as we take a look at the medium range campus weather service forecast, more humid on Thursday with clouds, some sun, scattered showers and thunderstorms, high 82. Seasonable on Friday with a mix of clouds and sun, high again 82. Partly to mostly cloudy and humid on Saturday with a chance of showers, high 80, and then similarly on Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy and humid again with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, highs in the low 80s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, keep an umbrella handy out there this weekend and stay dry.